In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email and send in Mautic. First, open your Mautic instance and head to the login page. Sign in with your usual credentials so you land on the dashboard. From here, look for the channel section in the main navigation, then choose emails. This is your hub for everything related to broadcasts and campaign emails. Next, create a new email. You'll be asked to pick between two types. Choose segment email if you're sending a one-time broadcast to a defined list or segment. Choose template email if you plan to use the message inside an automated campaign or reuse the design later. If you're unsure and just want to send a one-off message to a list, segment email is typically the right choice. On the email setup page, start by entering a clear, compelling subject line. Keep it concise and relevant so recipients immediately understand the value. Then add an internal name. This is only for you and your team, so make it descriptive enough that you can find it later, like including the campaign theme or date. Now select the segment or contact list you want to receive this message. Double check that you're choosing the correct audience, especially if you maintain multiple lists. It's a good practice to confirm the estimated recipient count so you know it matches your expectations. Choose a starting point for your design. You can pick a ready-made template for speed and consistency, or start from scratch if you want complete control. After selecting, open the builder. The drag and drop editor lets you add text blocks, images, buttons, and dividers. Keep your layout simple, mobile-friendly, and easy to scan. Write clear copy, use headings to break up content, and make your primary call to action stand out. Add links to your buttons and images, and consider personalization, such as inserting a contact's first name where appropriate to boost relevance. Don't forget to set alt text for images and ensure contrast and font size are readable. When your layout and content look good, apply your changes so the editor saves your latest edits. Then save and close to return to the email overview screen. This locks in your configuration and prepares the email for sending. When you're ready, click Send. Mautic will show a confirmation prompt so you can review your choice. Click Send again to confirm. Your email will be queued and delivered to the selected segment. After sending, you can monitor performance on the email's detail page, keeping an eye on delivery, opens, and clicks to inform your next send.